Welcome to the March Showcase, a showcase of all the wonderful games that are being developed or released inside of the Construct engine. If you want to check out the games being shown, or find out a bit more about the developers, or even take part in our next showcase, check out the description below where we'll have all the details. Let's get started with the showcase.
There's a stick over here, and there's also one over here. Then I have one stick left, as you guys can see behind my back. 3, so it counts to 3, right? Then I can break this. 2. Once you're breaking in, something tells me I must keep it away from the light. Yeah, water is breaking in. So I basically died because I touched the water. I'm gonna have to make the game over screen a little better, because sometimes you're just clicking stuff and you die and it just restarts the level. Like, I want
Thank you for watching, and thank you to all the amazing developers that have allowed me to showcase their games this month. If you want to check out any of the developers, any of the games, or find out how you can take part in next month's showcase, please check the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.